Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing Disputationes Metaphysicae 5 on Individuation, Section 6. Finally, what the principle of individuation is in all created substances. Suarez's view. The principle of individuation constitutes or is part of the intrinsic principles of any entity, and those principles make up the principle of individuation. Singularity and common nature. So common nature is just anything which is multipliable, anything which is shareable. Matter has a kind of common nature. Humanity is a common nature. The will is a common nature because there are multiple things with a will. Singularity is not shareable. Each singularity is entirely distinct from all the other ones. They are entirely different things. And then finally, distinct posterior to the action of the mind. Suarez's view is that only after the common nature and the singularity have been apprehended by someone do they become distinct. Before someone understands them, they're not distinct. They're actually the same thing in reality. I'm rehashing this argument from logical order because this shows largely where Suarez's argument is coming from. If the individuator is distinct in the nature of the thing, then those aspects of the common nature and the individuator would have to be unified with themselves logically prior to the contraction to individuality. The unity of the common nature could either be individual or universal prior to this contraction. If it is individual, then it doesn't require a contraction to individuality because it's already an individual. If it is universal, well, then it doesn't exist because only singular things exist. So it cannot be either A or B. Therefore, the individuator does not add something in the nature of the thing, or it's not distinct in the nature of the thing at the very least. This is important because it gives you the consequence that there is a different individuator for everything which is simple prior to the action of the mind. So before someone understands any single thing, if it is a simple object, such as the will understood as simple would require one individuator, and there would be a different one for each other simple thing. Like a single piece of matter would require a single individuator. Everything which is simple, which is one unified thing prior to the action of the mind, requires its own individuator. This goes for composite substantial forms, which have multiple parts. This goes for many different accidents of the same kind in the same being. This goes for numerically distinct portions of matter, and yes, even for angels. That'll be all for this video.